Well, when we started the Globetrotter, we had a couple things in mind. We wanted to bring together the best brands around. We wanted to benefit a charitable organization, and we wanted to create a lot of fun and energy around one big major golf event. And I think that's what we did. We brought together Puma, Cobra Golf, Outback Steakhouse, Grillsmith, and of course World of Beer.
The great thing about Globetrotter and why we call it Globetrotter is that it's not just your average golf tournament. We get out there with great brands like Puma and Reeves and World of Beer especially. The great thing is that at every hole the golfers get to experience a new beer. It's almost like getting to travel around the world. That's the whole point.
This is our second year doing the Globetrotter. We've had tremendous success with it, selling it out both years. People really come out for this event. We really appreciate people coming out and supporting this.
It's also a weekend-long event. We start out with a pairing party where you get great beer paired with great food. That's the night before, and it goes straight into the golf tournament the next day. The golfers go out there, they drink their beer, they're out in the sun all day and have a great time on the course, and then they go to a crazy after party at one of the World of Beer locations. Live music, games, fun stuff for everybody.